Hi guys, so today we're going to be walking you through step-by-step guide on how to make a mango boba slush. So to start, we'll just walk you through the ingredients you guys are going to need. So it's frozen diced mangoes, green tea, mango jam, ice cubes and tapioca. We're going to start off by putting in the diced mango, about 150 grams. With all of these measurements, guys, it's not exact, just sort of whatever gets you the consistency you would like, but this is a rough guideline. Now adding in about 35 grams of mango jam. And then we're going to add in some of the green tea we've just brewed fresh. And lastly, coming in with 250 grams of ice cubes to get that frozen, crushed ice, slushy consistency that we're looking for. And then we're going to blend that up and let it go. So once you've blended it for a bit, if you don't think it's thick enough, we would say add more mango, as this will thicken it up really nicely. So I've added a few more pieces of mango and I've gone to blend again. And I found that that was the consistency I was looking for. As you can see, I just sort of moving around the jug just to see if it's thick enough. And it was. So now that that is done, we'll get that out of the way and let's go grab a cup and let's serve this up. Get a big generous scoop of tapioca here. Get that in there. And now let's get that amazing mango slush into the cup. And you've got those nice clumps of mango that haven't fully blended as well, making it, that's the kind of consistency you love to see in a slushy. So this one turned out really nicely, and then we're just going to garnish it on the top with some more fresh mango. If you're sealing your cup, obviously this may not be an option, but if you're serving it like this, adding some fresh mango on the top is a really good option. This looks amazing, and guys, trust me, it tastes just as good. With the summer months coming up, something like a slushy bubble tea is going to be really popular and a great addition to your store. So we'd strongly recommend that you guys at least try this one out.